3, 2, 1. Stop it.
Finding the people around too many for them to.
Roku, could you kill them?
Тебе животное домой.
And I was going to ask you later, but that's...
Partly sunny with some sprinkles possible late. 56. Hey, look at that. My cat Charlie just...
A great week, and we will talk to you next week.
You gotta get us back to perfect ending.
Around, and then they keep each other company when you're at work.
Hey, Aaron, were you gonna say something?
Which cat is that?
That's Puffy.
Puffy.
This is Wednesday, 1 a.m. Thursday, excuse me, I'm trying to do my job.
That's not open to...